it will stay dry throughout the day. Cloud cover will begin to increase during the afternoon, and by the late afternoon, it looks to be mostly cloudy. Forecast will stay dry during the day, and during the overnight, it will stay dry too, and it will stay mostly cloudy. Tomorrow, cloud cover does decrease quickly, and by the afternoon, it looks to be very sunny. Sure could use some of that rain because the drought is getting worse. Dry condition for most areas north of Interstate 20. Seeing that moderate drought in the portions of King and Kent County. Moderate drought as well in Mills and southern Comanche County, and that dry condition is in the southern big country too. Today for those highs, around 20 degrees cooler. Most areas in the low 60s, a bit cooler towards our north and a bit warmer towards our south. May reach the upper 60s to near 70 in the heartland. The trend will stay steady tomorrow. Another day in the low 60s. The winds will be light Saturday though. Warming up from there, and those winds do pick up too. Should be windy and mild through next Tuesday. Today the winds become gusty during the late morning, and they do stay up there throughout the afternoon. The winds begin to decrease this evening, and then during the overnight, expect a light north wind. The air will be very dry for areas south of Interstate 20, with that relative humidity in the 30% range. The combination of that dry air and that wind will make fire weather a concern in those areas. Today for Abilene, 62 with increasing cloud cover, where there will be that gusty wind. The wind will become light during the overnight, low down near 40 under a mostly cloudy sky. Brownwood today a little bit warmer, 69 and mostly sunny. It will be a windy day overnight near 43 with a mostly cloudy sky. So the temperatures will stay steady tomorrow, and then after that warming up steadily, warming up to the mid 70s by Tuesday, and then by Wednesday should be near 80. It will be windy next week too. The winds become a little bit lighter Thursday, and it does stay warm. So next 7 days look mild, warm next week, and dry.